Strengthen your grip, mastering control and resilience. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase, strengthen your grip. This expression is not only about physical strength but also carries a significant metaphorical meaning that can be applied to various aspects of life and personal development. By understanding and using this phrase, you'll be able to express yourself more vividly in English. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of this powerful expression. The phrase, strengthen your grip, initially refers to the physical action of tightening your hold on something. Imagine holding a tennis racket, a pencil, or even someone's hand. To strengthen your grip means to hold it more firmly. This action is crucial in sports, handwriting, and situations requiring a strong physical hold. Moving beyond the literal, strengthen your grip often serves as a metaphor for gaining better control or mastery over something. This could relate to personal emotions, situations, or tasks at work or school. For example, if someone says, "You need to strengthen your grip on your time management skills," they're suggesting you should gain better control over how you manage your time. To help you grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. Personal development. She strengthened her grip on her fears and finally overcame her phobia of public speaking. Professional context. The manager advised the team to strengthen their grip on project deadlines to ensure timely completion. Emotional resilience. After the loss, he had to strengthen his grip on his emotions to move forward. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, applicable in enhancing personal abilities, improving professional outcomes, and building emotional resilience. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of the phrase, strengthen your grip. It's a powerful expression that goes beyond the physical, offering insight into personal development, emotional control, and professional mastery. Remember, strengthening your grip on various aspects of life can lead to significant improvements and success. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay strong and keep learning.